Good morning. I would like to show you today how the steps I took in carry out my project. Well, first of all, the first thing I did was to log into my SharePoint developer site, which I'm going to show you right away. Uh, so I logged into my SharePoint developer site here, as you can see. I log in here, so click here. It took me to this page. From this page, I was able to create announcement by new. I added, when you click new, then just something of this nature. You select list, then you have this. Then after creating it, I'm going to have, I had something like this nature. So from here, clicking this, I created date the same way. I create from here, I created the body, and immediately after that, I stored some software that will be important, that will help me, like Node.js and Sublime uh, text program, just like this one, Sublime Text. So and immediately after installing it, I moved to my terminals because I'm using MacBook. Here I was able to create a new SharePoint framework web part using the React.js framework. Though I had a lot of errors, especially uh, at the beginning, because of because the Node.js I downloaded wasn't compatible with my laptop. So I need to install it again. It took me a lot of time. Moreover, I'm still new using React.js, but I worked very hard. I have to go online, search for information. So immediately after creating it, I was able to generate this. Not this one, sorry. I was able to generate this. I was able to get this. So here now I try to use the I, I was able to get this. Now I try to this I now move to number 4 question. If you look here, this number 4 question. Uh, this number 4 question here. We said query the list created in step 2. Here was where I had lots of the difficulties. I couldn't query it. I've tried my best. I tried to query it using this text editing setup, the Sublime test, but I had a lot of errors. So, and because of that, I couldn't complete this number 4. And I think had it been I have enough time, maybe like 1 week, I spent 2 days sourcing for information online. This is my as just as I said, this is my I'm new using React.js framework. I'm I'm more conversant and familiar with PHP, and so I have to go online search for information. Had I have enough time, I would have completed uh, uh, try as much as I can to complete it, but time was no longer on my side. And immediately after that, I was able to create an account to move over here, create GitHub repository account. Immediately I downloaded it. So and look at it here. I was able to create an account on GitHub here, as you can see. So I moved back. I Most of my work I did it on the terminal. I moved back here. This is where, after creating my account here, Vanguard developer evaluation project, then I moved back here on this. Then here I did most of my work, most of my programming, and finally I was able to create the first one, the branch. If you look here, see the first branch. uh, this is the first branch. Then I try merging it to the master with the master. This is the master also, so I try to merge it with the master. So here you see, so you're gonna see this one. So when you go to the master, you so that is it. I try to create this account and for my submit. Then finally I was able to to generate the code which I submitted. Uh, Take time to go through my work. I want to also appreciate this opportunity. Thank you very much. Look forward to hear from you soon. Thank you.